I give my all to you. Every day, Lord, all of me, Lord. I give my all to you. Every day, Lord, all of me, Lord.
Yo, I'm trying to remember what it was like without you. Before I got right and before I came true, who would've ever thought I'd be where I am now, rocking the mic, representing you as a child. Wow, I remember when I was out in this mess, being like the world, living life godless. Yes, I was the one who would sip on the drinks, get mad at somebody, tell them what I would think. Weak was the link between me and you. I had to lay my life down, I had to give it all to you. Yo, I had to give it all to you.
I give my all to you. Every day, Lord, all of me, Lord. I give my all to you. Every day, Lord, all of me, Lord.
God, you brought me out of darkness, made my eyes to see that Jesus Christ is bigger than the sin in me. Yeah, I fell sometimes, but you were there to help me up. Gave me life every day because of mercy, not some luck. What I saw as a talent, Lord, you made it a gift. Multiplied it many times to get a soul to uplift. It's tight how you chose me as the one to work through. I surrender my will so you can do what you do. No matter what the cost, I do it cause you paid the price. I owe you everything, so Lord, I give you my life. Yeah, Lord, I give you my life.
I give my all to you. Every day, Lord, all of me, Lord. I give my all to you. Every day, Lord, all of me, Lord.
It's true, I got too busy and forgot to stop. Take time to show you love and put